How to delete TikTok account without password. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to delete your TikTok account in very easy steps. So first off, what you want to do is head over to your TikTok. On the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Then on the top right corner, click on the three lines. Go to settings and privacy. And here you can see multiple options. Click on account. Here you can see your account information, your password, switch to business account, download your data, deactivate or delete account. Click on deactivate or delete account. So it's gonna ask you if you want to delete or deactivate your account. Deactivating your account would mean that no one can see your account, including all the content that is stored in it. You can reactivate your account and recover all content anytime. On the second option, we have delete account permanently. Your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So if you want to delete your account, click on this button. So I'd say I have multiple accounts. Continue. Continue. Now it's asking me to delete my account. So I'd continue. I have connected with Facebook. It's going to redirect me to Facebook and ask me if I actually want to delete my account. If you have an Android phone, it's going to ask you for a password. If you do not have the password, all you need to do is go back, back, and then click on password. So here you're going to click on send code and it will send a code to your email. After you receive the code, just put in the code and your password will be changed. You can delete your TikTok account like this. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below the tutorials which you would like to see. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.